guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fresh face makeup look tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I created this fresh face natural look, then continue watching. But before I start, if you're new here, hi, my name is Joy. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified for all of my uploads. So let's go ahead and go on with my tutorial. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm dotting my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer all over my face. And this is going to be my face base primer before my foundation for today. Alright guys, so for foundation, I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Foundation and just dotting it. Oops, yeah, that's not good. But it's all good because I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender and blending that all out. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply my Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick all over my face just to add a little bit more coverage and also just to add a little bit of color and blending that all out with my Beauty Blender. Alright, so for concealer, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury the Retoucher Conceal and Treat Stick in the number 3 medium. And just applying that underneath my eyes just to give them a little bit of coverage and just to kind of highlight and brighten underneath my eyes. And of course blending it with my Beauty Blender. Ooh, isn't that powder so beautiful? So the powder I'm using today is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the color Radiant Light. So basically I'm just dusting it ever so lightly all over my face just to give a nice soft finish. Alright guys, so for bronzer I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder in the color Natural. And just applying that on the sides of my cheeks for a slight contour and just a little bit of color all over my face. Just like so, and of course applying it on the other side as well. And eventually I will be applying it on the temples of my face and also the jawline and a little bit of contouring on my nose as well. And for blush, I'm going in with my Chanel Powder Blush in the color Jersey. This color is absolutely gorgeous and it'll just give me just a flush of color on my cheeks and just blending it up and applying it on the apples of my cheeks towards the hairline. I did do my brows off camera, so here is the before and after. I do have a full brow routine and I'll link that video in the cards. Okay, so the eyeshadows I'm going to use today is the Tarte Tartelette eyeshadow palette. It's been ages since I used this palette, so I'm super excited to be using it again. The first color I'm applying is Free Spirit, and I'm just applying that all over my eyes, my lower lid, my brow bone, pretty much all over. Alright, so the next color is Wanderer, and I'm basically going to take that on a blending brush and just apply that on the crease of my eye, also as my transition color, just pretty much all over. Of course on the other side as well, just blending, blending, and more blending. Alright, so the next color I'm going to apply is Dreamer, and basically we're going to take that color on the outer corner of my eyes using a nice defined brush. I believe this brush is the MAC 217, and I'll definitely list all products that I mention down below, so make sure to check that out. And I'm just applying it on the other side as well, using circular motions with my brush. And really just blending everything out, guys. I mean, just infusing that color and making sure there's no harsh lines or anything. Alright, so next color we're going in with Super Mom, and we're utilizing this color as a highlight shade. So using a good shader brush, I'm just applying that color on the brow bone like so. And of course on the other side as well. You can pretty much wear this look as is, but for today, I'm going to add a little bit of color on my lower lash line using that same color, Dreamer. So I'm just going to take it on a nice little eyeshadow kind of defining brush. And this one is by Bobbi Brown, and it's the smoky eyeshadow brush. And just applying that on the lower lash line for both sides, just to add a little bit of definition. We're pretty much done with the eye look, so right now I'm just basically going in with my UEMURA eyelash curler and curling my lashes. It's pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going in with my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and just applying one coat of mascara on my top lashes and a few coats of mascara on my lower lashes. I will be applying falsies, so I didn't want to put too much mascara on the top. So for falsies, I'm going in with my Ardell's 135, and of course waiting for the glue to get super tacky before adhering it to my eyes, and waiting, and waiting, and of course now applying it. I typically like to apply my falsies using tweezers. It's the easiest way for me to apply them, and yeah. Just really concentrating, and that's that. I was really contemplating on what lip color to apply, so then I decided, of course, I was gonna go in with MAC lip liner in the color Whirl. This is my absolute go-to. I wear this every single day. It just goes with so many different colors, and I'm just applying it all over my lips. For lipstick, I'm going in with my YSL Rouge Volupte in the number 3. And fun fact, this is the lipstick I wore in my wedding. I just love it. Alright, just applying that lipstick all over, and because this has more of a satin finish, I'm not necessarily going to be applying a lip gloss over top. To be quite honest with you, I'm not really a lip gloss kind of person, so I'm just going to keep this lipstick as is. Alright, so to finish off the look, I'm just dusting a little bit more of that Hourglass Ambient powder. I just love the way this powder looks on the skin. It's super, super soft, you guys. I'm obsessed. Alright guys, so that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this fresh face, natural makeup look. I mean, honestly, you can wear this look every single day. You could wear it to work, you could wear it shopping, you can wear it going out. This look is pretty versatile, so I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell so you are notified. And that is it, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.